top 5 costliest diamonds in the world, along with some details about each. 1. Koh-i-Noor Diamond. The Koh-i-Noor Diamond is one of the most famous and valuable diamonds in the world. It originated in India, and now resides in the Tower of London. Its exact value is unknown, but it is considered priceless due to its historical significance and cultural importance. The diamond weighs approximately 105.6 carats. 2. Cullinan Diamond. The Cullinan Diamond is the largest gem-quality diamond ever found, weighing about 3,106 carats. It was discovered in South Africa in 1905 and was later cut into several large diamonds, including the Great Star of Africa, 530.2 carats, and the Lesser Star of Africa, 317.4 carats. The exact value of the Cullinan Diamond is difficult to determine, but it is considered extremely valuable. 3. Pink Star Diamond. The Pink Star Diamond, also known as the Steinmetz Pink, is a rare and exquisite pink diamond. It weighs about 59.60 carats and was mined in South Africa. In 2017, it sold for a record-breaking price of over $71 million at an auction, making it the most expensive diamond ever sold. 4. Hoped Diamond. The Hoped Diamond is a famous blue diamond known for its rich history and stunning appearance. It weighs about 45.52 carats and is housed in the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C. The diamond has a rare blue color and is believed to be associated with a curse, adding to its mystique and value. 5. Wittelsbach Graf Diamond. The Wittelsbach Graf Diamond is a deep, blue diamond with a fascinating history. It weighs approximately 31.06 carats and has a flawless clarity grade. It was sold at an auction in 2008 for a reported price of around $24.3 million. Subsequently, it was recut and improved to enhance its color and clarity.